Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Akropolis or Akro, which I wanted to cover again. It's been some time since I covered it last. I almost have to sneeze. Hopefully, I'm going to be able to keep that in. But yeah, I wanted to do an update because yesterday evening, all of a sudden, Akro actually became quite bullish. So just wanted to make a video on where that could go. Could we see another rally from here, or is this just some sort of a small rally in a bearish market structure? And will Akro continue to fall down? So that's what we'll talk about. We'll do a full update. My goal is to tell you everything you need to know. All right. If I accomplish that, I'll leave that up to you. But that's what we'll try. So without further ado, let's get started with it. I do want to briefly mention, though, before we get into Akro, that I have my own premium group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a trading guide, which is very valuable, and a chat room full of traders, which is even more valuable. All right, so if you're interested in that, if you want to become a better trader and catch trades like a short on Akro, which we took at around these levels. So that was performing very well yesterday until the rally, which it's still in profit, but a little bit less than it was yesterday, of course. Never hit the full entry, but overall, I still think a solid trade, because at this point of time, I actually do think that the market structure for Akro is still bearish. It did get a bullish breakout right here above the 1.15 cents area, which is a bit of a key level right here. It also was the 236 fib, as you can see. So it broke above that. It actually respected that. But now this candle closes in about 15 minutes. It looks like it's breaking below that again. All right. If it doesn't break below that, then it could still consolidate up here. And there is always a possibility of rallying here, to be fair. But the thing is, if we take a look at some very important statistics, like the open interest, which is the amount of positions being opened, and the volume, what you'll see is that they have grown exponentially, but they were like Monday the 11th, which was right here, they were a little bit lower than right now. But overall, they were at around the same levels, and the open interest has also already started dropping down. The volume is stalling a bit, or is neutral, is no longer in a big uptrend. As you can see right here, the volume is even on CoinMarketCap. It's even decreasing a bit. So overall, some cracks have started to appear, and that in combination with the technicals lead me to believe that Akro is probably going to get a bearish breakout right here below 1.15 cents and going to continue back down to its support around 0.9 cents and ultimately down to 0.75 cents. Now, like I said, this is what I view as the most likely scenario. Maybe I'm biased because in the end, I'm short. All right. So I would want this to happen. So on the other hand, like I would say the main things to look at if you actually want this rally to sustain is if the open interest and the volume actually keep going up. As you can see right here, the volume is actually going up still. Open interest is still below its tops, which were made in the night. So I would say that if, like I said, Akro is able to hold to 1.15 or is able to break back above that and then is able to break above 1.3 cents while the volume and open interest are going higher, then we can actually see that rally. All right. So then it's possible, I would say, to really get a rally, the 0.382 fib needs to be broken. And now that level hasn't even been touched. So that's the main thing to watch, I would say. If until that time the volume and the open interest start dropping and Akro is not able to get that bullish breakout, I would really say it's more likely it's going to fall. All right, it's a bit manipulated, but still, those are my thoughts. All right, so if you do have any questions about that, if you want to discuss it, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.